YouTube and welcome to Blueprint DIY. The purpose of this video is to introduce myself and to let you know what you can expect to see on this channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today I am super excited and super grateful to be able to make this video and to be able to do this giveaway. And I'm going to be perfectly honest with you guys because, you know, I always try to be about everything that's going on. I was not going to post a video today. I was having a hard time getting through this week because today is the 3-year anniversary of when my husband passed. And so I just said to myself, you know, it's okay. Like, you know, you can take that break. I was just like trudging along, just, you know, really trying to focus on Saturday's video, which you guys know is always the big upcycle of the week. And so I wasn't going to post anything today, like for an extra video. And then as I was recording Saturday's video, something came in the mail that made me want to do this video. And it is my YouTube play button. It gave me the oomph that I needed to do a video because I really wanted to dedicate this to my husband, to everything that he did to help me to get to this point. So I'm super excited to do this video. So let's do a little unboxing. All right, so here it is, and it actually came via UPS, and this is why I've been telling you guys we wanted to get to 100K, because this is an example. Like, people wait for months to get their play buttons, and I got mine. We haven't even been crossed over 100K for a month, and I already got mine. So big shout out to my partner manager for you know, putting in the request so soon, and I appreciate her very much for what she does for this channel. But it came via UPS and I wasn't expecting it to come so soon, so when I saw it sitting on the porch I was super excited. So yeah, let's see what is inside. It has a card on it, and it says, "You've just done something very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an amazing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone." And it is a big deal. 100,000 people is a lot of people. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They are inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we like to recognize you and all the hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for awards, which I don't. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. And I am grateful to have found you guys, every 100 or almost 110,000 of you now. Believe us when we say we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Wasicki, the CEO of YouTube. And this is a thank you to you guys. More than anything. Let's see if you guys can see it. Are we getting it there? So it says, presented to Blueprint DIY for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. This is, it's just really nice to have. You guys know, like, you know, when you do something and you're able to be recognized for it, it's nice. So yeah, I appreciate this so much. And more than anything, like it said, you know, I realize that every last one of you is a person. You decided to hit that subscribe button, and so I am grateful to have you here to see my journey through, you know, going from just simply thrifting, you know, to thrifting and just doing little alterations to what I do now, you know, some, you know, simple alterations, no so alterations, all the way up to just some crazy stuff. So I appreciate you guys so much. I'm sending big hugs to all of you guys, and I definitely want to dedicate this award and this day. I just wanted to, like, add some good memories to this day so that it won't always be such a down day. So I'm grateful that this came in time for today. So yes, I'm super, super excited about this. All right, so we're going to put this over in its spot where it will be. It has a thing on the back so you can hang it on the wall automatically, but I am going to put it right there. All right, so let's get to the part that you guys have been waiting for. I promised that when we got to 100,000 subscribers, I would do an upcycle for one lucky subscriber. And I want to do the upcycle of your dreams, literally the upcycle of your dreams. I'm going to make a whole video about it and you will be in the video. You know, so that means that you have to send me at least some footage with your phone. It don't have to be nothing fancy, but I do need some footage of you wearing the clothes. So if you are interested in getting the upcycle of your dreams, this is all you have to do. First of all, you have to be a subscriber. And I would recommend turning on all notifications because I'm going to notify you guys via the community tab. So the winner will be notified via the community tab. You can check the description box for all, everything that I'm saying, all the rules and everything that I may miss saying out of my mouth. So just double check there just to make sure you got everything correct. But all you need to do pretty much is be a subscriber, turn on notifications, all notifications, and put in the comments, what is your ultimate upcycle? What would you want me to make for you? Just let me know in the comments and one lucky person is going to win. So I hope you guys are super excited. I'm super excited about this video. It's just another opportunity for me to be able to upcycle for other people. And so, yeah, it's always a challenge, but I love doing it sometimes. So, you don't want to be selfish. You got to upcycle for other people sometimes. No, I'm just kidding. Once again, thank you guys so much for hitting that subscribe button and for not only for that, for commenting, for encouraging me in those comments. You guys are amazing. I'm so grateful to have the comments back. You guys lift me up so much. And yes, I will see you guys on Saturday for a very special denim upcycle that the members requested. Remember, members get the first pick and then we get to rolling with all of your picks. So it's going to be amazing. I'm sure I know a great majority of you voted for this one. So definitely don't miss that video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!